Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Odor, smelly, nobody likes that. All right, today we are gonna get rid of body odor from the sensitive area of our body. I'm gonna share with you a wonderful wash that you're gonna use to help to keep down there cleaner. Now we all know that down there actually cleans itself, but with a little extra help. And when I said clean itself, I don't mean that the outside clean itself. The inside is normally clean. It actually cleans itself, but the outside, if you pee and do other things, tend to be smelly if you don't wash it. Now, washing alone helps. However, sometimes you need that extra little special thing to make it have a nicer fragrance, to keep the odor, to keep bacteria out. Because guess what? You take too much antibiotics, if you have a lot of sugar in your system, and there's a lot of other factors that can cause the odor to be much stronger than it really should. Now, I have this wonderful wash for you that you're gonna use to clean down there, you know, making it a little more fresher, a little more odor-free, and basically very pleasant. Now, this wash is also safe to take with you wherever you go, so you will always be fresh. Just pour this wash and a piece of baby wipe and just wipe yourself clean. You're good to go. Now, if you're traveling, let's say long hours on a flight, and you know those long flights, you don't get a chance to wash down there, take this wash with you. Baby wipes, wipe it, and you're gonna be so fresh and nice. So let me stop talking, come with me to the kitchen, and I'll show you how to make this wash in no time. A sensitive hair wash is an extra step to keep down there smelling fresh and clean. Down there, it is perfectly capable of keeping itself clean and maintaining an acid pH of 3.5 to 4.5, but antibiotics, menstruation, sanitary products, and too much sugar in the diet can all create an imbalance in the area down there. Acidity or the bacterial imbalance leading to a strong and pleasant odor or even infection. Our first ingredient is chamomile. And I'm using 2 chamomile tea bags. You can get these to buy in your grocery store, wherever they have the tea selling, okay? Our second ingredient is baking soda. Now, baking soda is the same as sodium bicarbonate. So depending on what country you are, it is either called baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, and some places bicarbonate of soda. Now for our third ingredient, you can choose to use lavender water or rose water, okay? To make our wash, the first thing we're gonna do is to brew our chamomile tea. As a matter of fact, you can choose to boil it if you want. You don't have to brew. And you can choose to do this overnight. So I'm using about 16 ounces of water to 2 tea bags of chamomile tea. If you have loose chamomile leaves, use 2 tablespoons, okay? Now we're going to set this aside to brew, preferably overnight. And once this is brewed, it is ready to use. Now to make our wash, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 8 ounces of water. If you want to make more, just double up on the baking soda. If you're making 16 ounces, use 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Today I'm making 8 ounces, so I'm using 2 tablespoons of baking soda. My water of choice is lavender water. And remember, you can use either lavender water or rose water. You can even use orange blossom water, okay? So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of lavender water. Three teaspoons of lavender water. And I'm going to mix this with the baking soda. Just give it a mix. You're going to take your 8 ounces of cooled chamomile tea and you're going to pour this on the baking soda and lavender water. You're going to give this a stir. And guys, oh my. You should smell this. Wow, this is awesome. The smell of this is wonderful. This is it. Here is your baking soda, chamomile, lavender, sensitive area wash. Now you can choose to store this in small bottles and keep the rest in the refrigerator. So each time you're going to use, you could just pour some and take it to the bathroom with you. If you have to travel, you could just bottle it in small bottles like these and take it with you. Now this is going to have your private area smelling really wonderful, really refreshed and totally clean. Now you got to make sure all the bottles you use for this is sterilized. You can sterilize your bottles by boiling them. So a glass bottle would be really perfect for this. Now to use the wash, you're going to wash your private area the way you normally do. And when you're done, that's when you're going to use your wash. And you're going to just squeeze it and on. And you can also use this on the inner part of your private area. It is totally safe for the inner part. You can actually use it to just spray right up in there because it is going to keep you clean and fresh. Okay, now you can store this in the bathroom for about 3 days without refrigerating. If you want to keep it longer, I suggest you refrigerate it and take it out at least half an hour before you use each time for it to be room temperature. Baking soda. Using baking soda to clean down there, have to get rid of odor. Baking soda is alkaline in nature. When an alkaline substance is mixed with something acidic, it neutralizes it. So when baking soda is used to wash the area, it helps to restore the pH balance and bring it to the optimum level. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has been traditionally used for soothing and washing down there. It can effectively treat abnormal body odor and discharge. The antiseptic properties of chamomile tea give a smoothing effect to the skin and help in relieving the inflammation. Lavender or rose water. Using lavender or rose water is a great way to help you get rid of the odor down there. They help to keep the hair fresh and clean, leaving the hair with a light, crispy, pleasant smell. So there you have it. Go ahead and make this wash. Use it. Come back. Leave your comment. If this was your first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also remember to share the video. And I love you guys. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.